Hello everyone, Kritika here. Today I'm going to make a open back pendant with resin and pearl powders. The things we need are resin, pearl powders, a open back bezel butterfly. I have taken this butterfly bezel, a design sheet that is cut in the butterfly shape. I've mixed the pearl powders, pink and white pearl powder, with some resin, and also I've secured the butterfly in a clear tape. Okay, now I'm going to put the resin in the open bezel. I'm just blending the two colors slightly and allowing it to set. So it's slightly sticky now. So in this stage I'm going to stick the butterfly shape sheet over it. So I'm going to dome it again with a clear resin. So it's completely dry now. So I'm going to take it off from the tape and I'm going to dome the other side with some plain resin. So I've domed the other side too. Since it's kind of plain, I'm going to add some stones to it. So I've just added some stones to it. Now I'm allowing it to set. It's dry on both the sides. So now I'm going to add a jump ring to it. Jump ring and a chain to it. So my double-sided open bezel chain is ready. Thank you.